Everyone, today I'm going to train you in the operation and the use of the material testing machine. I'll first introduce the working principle and structure of the machine. The principle of the machine is to control the crosshead, up and down movement, and then through the grip or text tool on the specimen and perform the text or compression, the tensile or compression text. There is a load cell on the crosshead, which can measure the force value of the specimen in real time during the text, and finally generate the force and the displacement curves. And wireless of the text result. The machine is divided into three parts: computer, machine electronic, and the load frame. The principle of the operation is that the text parameters is set by the computer and transmit to the machine electronic. And then the machine electronic control the motor rotation. The motor drive the crosshead to move up and down, and also record the displacement value. And here is the load cell on the crosshead to measure the force value. And wireless text fixtures can be mounted on the mounting stud of the crosshead and the base crosshead, the base. And then the test tool or the grips can hold the specimen. You can see, hold the specimen. The roll frame have the ruler and the limit switch. This is the upper and this is lower. The lower the switch, limit switch, is to prevent the fixtures from hitting each other. Specially care should be taken when using this machine to ensure that the upper and the lower text fixtures do not collide. The limit switch is used to prevent them from colliding. And there are shortcut text buttons on the machine electronic, and they are the start button, the start text button, the return button, return to the first text position, manual controls of the crosshead up and down, the status indicator, motor on, and this is the motor off, emergency start button, and this two button is for the crosshead up and down, but only used in the emergency case. When the limit switch is activated, these two manual up and down button will deactivate. You can use this to control the crosshead, so that in this case you should only use these two buttons to move the crosshead up or down, and then release the limit switch and continue to test. Okay, and then at the bottom there is a key. This key is for the test, switching the test mode and setup mode. You know the setup mode? This setup mode is only for the hardware. And the next, I'll introduce the power on sequence. First, you can press the power button. Where's the power button? Power button is on the back of the machine electronic. The machine will ready after approximately 20 seconds for the initialization. After it's ready, you can see the state indicator will turn into yellow, and then you can open the text program, select your test program, open your software, and select the test program which you like. After open the test program, finally you should press the motor on button, and then you can do the test. I also introduce the purpose of the motor off. Motor off, when the operator has to do something to go away temporarily to prevent misuse by the others, he can press the off button. When the off button is pressed, the other button on the machine will not effect.